AI stole my job, and I've been meaning to share this story with my audience here on YouTube, but I've not had the courage to do so because a lot of people rely on me to teach them exactly what I do, how I made money online. This age we are in right now is a different one. AI has changed everything. When ChatGPT was launched and AI became mainstream, I lost almost 90% of my primary source of income. If you don't know me, my name is Michael Chibuzo. I used to be a freelance copywriter or a freelance writer or whatever you may call it, ghostwriter. I had clients from everywhere, from the US, from UK, from Canada, Australia, even Germany. I've written content for entrepreneur.com. I've written content for Inc.com. I have also written content for Yahoo website, even MSN. Several of them have syndicated my content. So I was good. I was in a good place. I was making money. I wasn't looking at the future, so to speak. Of course, I had my plans, but I didn't know that AI could come in and just sweep off everything and disrupt the industry as we see it today. I wasn't building any other source of income because in my mind, what could go wrong? What could happen to my source of income? But I was damn wrong. The moment ChatGPT OpenAI was launched, everything changed. Gradually, my clients started doing the content by themselves. And I didn't realize it until 2024 when 30 of my clients that I used to write for, not all the time, but every once in a while, they give me assignments, they give me gigs, or they ask me to do keyword research and generate some keywords that they will have to write content on. And I would do so. I would make money. About 30 of them in a week wrote me and said that they want to halt or pause whatever I'm doing right now to see how AI could help them. Because I realized something in this my career, that every company wants to do two things and they want to do it well. First, they want to save money and time, and they want to increase their output in terms of revenue results that they are getting. So when ChatGPT came on board and other AI tools like Claude, Perplexity came, I was still wallowing in the past. So they started using AI to write their content. It wasn't okay at first, but everything changed as the AI began to evolve. ChatGPT 2.0 came and they started charging for their plus plan, and everything changed. In fact, I decided to check it to see really why are my clients switching to ChatGPT plus, and I saw it. It was great. I discovered two things when it comes to ChatGPT and AI. Knowing how to prompt will help you generate the best output. And then knowing how to turn the output into a polished content makes all the difference. For many people, they just generate the article and they complain that AI doesn't know how to create content that is readable and relatable. But if you generate content with ChatGPT or any AI tool, you could also take it further by telling the tool to refine it, polish it, and add some human elements to it, like storytelling, personal anecdotes, expert quotes, and they will pull it because they are powerful enough to do that. So that was how I lost my job. But it wasn't all doom and gloom. Where I got most of my clients were from Upwork, Fiverr, and some of those marketplaces. They are still in existence today. I still get one or two clients from there each week, but that wasn't the plan. Initially, I was making more money from clients that were coming to me through my website. And of course, you know what happened to Google? Google updates destroyed every small business website, and that sort of traffic for me and lead generation closed. I had no other option than to switch to marketplaces. I was getting clients from Upwork and Fiverr, but eventually businesses stopped hiring people and the competition grew. Yes, if you still go to the place, you see a lot of job posting, but those jobs do not pay enough. They pay $10, $20, whereas I was charging about $100, 200, even upwards of $500 to write an article of 2,000 words that is very detailed and engaging. So that was exactly how AI took my job. The good news is that during this time, I started watching YouTube videos, I started engaging with other activities, and I discovered there's another way to make money that doesn't rely on writing articles. Of course, it still relies on writing, and that was where I discovered that my skill sets in writing could actually be very helpful. So I started creating scripts, not for any other person, not for any YouTuber, but for myself. I started a faceless YouTube channel. It took me about 6 months to get monetized, and I started making money from my faceless YouTube channel. I'm using AI in combination with my skill set to build this site. Well, my skill set when it comes to writing helps, but I use AI also to fine-tune, to edit, and to make my scripts more relatable by adding storytelling to it. So I could tell AI, I could add a custom guideline or custom instruction to ChatGPT, tell the ChatGPT my experience when it comes to a topic I want to cover on my Faceless channel. And then AI will now take it up because it's a large language model and then refine it, make it exactly how I want it to sound in my video. And then I will just do the voiceover, or use an AI to do the voiceover, and then I'll edit the video. So I started doing that and it's working. So for you that is watching me right now, how do you benefit from all of this? Well, first of all, if you think that AI is going away, I want you to rethink, because AI is getting better and it will get even more useful for businesses and for clients. So if you think that you have some clients today that are paying you for content creation, even for script writing, businesses that are paying you to do some things that you know that an AI or an AI agent can easily achieve or can easily do, it is high time you start looking elsewhere. It's best you start developing some on-demand skills that will help you scale this storm that is coming. AI is going to replace a lot of people, but thank God I was able to bounce back. One of the best skills to learn right now that may not easily be replaced by an AI or an AI agent is video editing. So take one of the video editing software out there, could be Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut, DaVinci Resolve, and master it. Once you master it, you start your own YouTube channel. So this new channel, my focus is to help people understand how an AI can help them build a sustainable business and how they can master AI prompting. So make sure you stick around. So that is my story. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Look out for more videos where I show you how to use AI to automate every aspect. This is going to be practical. It's going to be hands-on. You'll be able to implement everything I will show you in this video.